What's up? Dino is here with Edim in the background. We're having an awesome time the last day in an LA Venice beach, guys. Today we took some bikes, like you can see it. Some bikes with fat tires. We're enjoying the beach, the sun, the wind, everything is so awesome. And tomorrow it's gonna be end of this stream. I'm flying to Las Vegas. Tomorrow we're gonna see some shining bright stars and we're gonna hear some oh hi video. Oh hi, you know? So stay tuned for more.